this hands and Leatherface are good. Kind of putting myself in their hands right now. They haven't opened a door yet. Interesting. Guessing because the Leatherface is good? Okay, they have 3 doors open now. That was fast. She said. Did our Leatherface run right to Grandpa? Nice. Hands in the basement. Nice, dude. Damn, good job, GG. Watch out, watch out! We got two of them. Nice. Julie was over here too. Yeah, she's right here. Julie is really bad. She's gonna go over there. Fuck. The fuck? I can't move. Hello? Yeah, I got her. Watch out, watch out. Hey-ya! Watch out. GG. GG easy. It's like, dude, you're gonna get one shot. Like, I don't know, man. Okay, these guys are zooming a little bit. This is a 4-stack, maybe? Maybe. I said maybe. Wait, these guys are jogging. Oh. Wait, why is my cook the default cook? Bruh. Why do my family skins, like, keep getting switched to default? It's kind of annoying. Okay, Wyatt is up top, by the way. Who's our teammate? Bubba? Oh yeah, Bubba's in Overgrowth. Okay, I'm gonna try to figure out where Wyatt is. He hasn't got another door open. Unless if Virginia's with him. But I think Leatherface was chasing someone though, too. Yeah, well, thank God this Wyatt didn't rush left battery. He probably could have been like borderline getting out right now. Dude, I kind of don't like this white cook skin. It's like, it makes him too bright and like easy to see. Dude, these guys are getting fucked up. Okay, so is there two in the basement? Oh, weird. Oh, someone got stabbed in the back. Virginia stabbed Johnny. Okay, Wyatt's under the house. Wait, so they're all in the basement. Okay, I'm going down there now. We gotta be aggressive. We gotta choke him out, dude. Wait, so I thought he had a door open already, but I guess he didn't. So yeah, Wyatt's like on the fuse exit somewhere over here. Hello, Cook's in the basement now too. Yeah. Ooh, I smacked him. Nice. Still got the hit off. He's gonna try to do that on. What a dumbass. He tried pulling his knife out. Why do Wyatts do that? Where they like try to pull the knife out? I don't get why they do that.